In this video, we're going to apply the formula for the area of a parallelogram. Use the formula for the area of a parallelogram to find the areas. Make sure to indicate which value is the base and which value is the height. Assume that all measures are given in centimeters, and your answer must include units. So let's look at our first example. So this is a parallelogram. These two sides are parallel, and this side and this side are parallel. Okay. So since we're given this value right here, we could use this side as our base, but we're not given that information. So since this is a side that's parallel to its opposite side, we know its length. We're going to use this as the base. So the base is 2 centimeters. Now the corresponding height is the distance between the two bases. And notice we're given this as well. So we could have been given this distance right here, and that would also be 3 centimeters. The important thing to remember about the height, if you're given a value like this side, okay, it's tempting to think that this is the height because it's the length from the bottom to the top, but it's not the straight line perpendicular distance, which this value represents. So typically it will be shown inside the figure, and we'll see another case where it's outside. So now that we have the base and the height, the area is the base times the height. 2 times 3 is 6, and our units are square centimeters. So 6 square centimeters would fill up the inside of this parallelogram. Let's look at the next one. Okay. So what are we given? We're told that this side length equals 1, and this side length equals 5. Okay. And we could use this side length equal to 5, except we would need to know the parallel distance from here to its opposite side. And we are not given this value. So notice this does not equal 1. This would be a shorter distance. So we're going to need to use 1 as our base. So our base is 1 centimeter. And now our height is our distance from this side to this side. So these two bases have the same length and they're parallel. And notice we're given here the height is not 5. That's not a straight line distance. Notice if we drew a straight line to here, the distance from the bottom to the top going straight up would be 4. So our height is 4 centimeters, and that means our area is 1 centimeter times 4 centimeters. 1 times 4 is 4, and the units are square centimeters.